This recipe will make any cook envious. Easy and delicious dinner. For this recipe, I'm going to grate an onion and also 2 potatoes. Everyone here at home loves this recipe. Whenever I make it, nothing is left, and they ask for more because the final result is so wonderful. I have no doubts that this dinner will impress you. Next, I'll transfer the potatoes to a container and add water to cover them. I'll let them sit for 15 minutes. After the time is up, I'll transfer the dried potatoes to another container and add 500 grams of ground beef, our grated onion, 2 crushed garlic cloves, a teaspoon of salt, and then half a teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, 1 egg. I'll mix all our ingredients. Then, I'll divide our recipe into 4 parts, like this. This recipe has become a highlight at family weekend lunches. I'll take one of the parts and shape it. This has become my favorite way to make potatoes with ground beef. The result following these steps is simply wonderful. Leaving it like this, I'll do the same with all the parts. In this pan, I'll add olive oil. Next, I'll add a sliced onion. I'll stir until the onion starts to brown. Then, I'll add 100 grams of champignon mushroom. I'll stir a bit. Next, I'll add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and also a teaspoon of paprika. I'll stir a bit more so that our ingredients absorb the flavors of the spices. In this container, I'll add a bit of olive oil and spread it well. I'll place our portions here. Do this at home and then let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you have any favorite recipes with potatoes and ground beef. I'd love to hear about them. I'll open up a bit of space, leaving it like this. Next, I'll add the onion with champignon mushrooms to all our portions. I'll bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the time is up, I'll take our recipe out of the oven and add some mozzarella on top. I'll bake again for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To finish, I'll add some parsley to taste. Now our recipe is ready. I have no doubt that you'll come back here to thank me for teaching you this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.